Hey gang, we're back. Another cold, dreary, nasty, wet Saturday in Central Texas. Not much fun for doing anything outside, so we're going to do some carb work. Got some HPMX carbs from Kosmo, the wonderbus. We did a little bit of metal work for them a while back, and now it's not running so good, so hopefully cleaning these up and doing a little gasket replacement is going to help out with that. So we'll do that today, and you guys can follow along. Alright, so here's my little setup for working on these carbs. I got all my little tools, screwdrivers and wrenches and things. Got the ultrasonic warmed up, a little bit of degreaser in there. Gets everything that you can't reach. Gasket kit gone through, looks like everything's in there. Brake cleaner to blow out all the little pathways for the fuel and everything. And the carb itself. So here we are, we're going to pull it apart and see what we got inside. Alright, look at that. Super clean. Really nice. These weren't too bad to start with, but it's good to get all the crap off of there so they're clean. Everything runs better when it's clean. So we're going to blow them out with a little modified compressed air. Modified compressed air. Fancy in a can. Just kind of make sure that everything is clear and watch your eyeballs. Yum. Oof. Kind of work that a little bit. Make sure everything's free and not bound up. Seems pretty nice. That's pretty good. You don't want to pick at these too hard. You don't want to spread them out. Fluid's going in there. Coming out the back, which is good. That's what you want. Don't worry too much about these because that's the enrichment circuit. We don't use that on our cars, so usually just block it off. And you can block it off down here at the bottom. I don't have any more of the plugs, so I'm not going to do it on these, but you can tap that and fill it with an M5 or an M6 plug. Just keeps the air from getting down inside the manifold from up here. It's like a choke, but we don't use it, so you don't need it. Everything else looks nice. I just tossed all the little bits inside the ultrasonic there, so we'll let that run for a minute, get all the jets and everything nice and clean, and then we'll get her put back together. Alright, we got them all done anyways. Here's the before. Super crusty. Well, not super crusty, but dirty. And there's the after. Ooh, it's so pretty. Everything's clean. Set the adjustments to the baseline adjustments for tuning. So when we get them back on the car, we'll tune them up real good. Get them all balanced, and this should make a big difference in how that bus runs. So I'm excited. We'll give them back and see how we do.